the only channel that brings you up to speed on the world's most advanced machines, 2 wheels or 2 wings. Today, we're breaking our usual trend of superbikes and going stealth, quite literally. Buckle up as we dive into one of the most iconic flying machines ever built, reborn for 2025, the B-2 Spirit. Yes, the legendary stealth bomber is back with upgrades that make it look like it flew straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. The ghost in the sky, design and stealth. Let's start with what made the B-2 famous in the first place, stealth. The 2025 B-2 Spirit retains its iconic flying wing design but adds next-gen radar-absorbent materials and an updated thermal masking system. Translation? This thing is practically invisible. It's like a ninja in the sky, but instead of throwing stars, it drops precision-guided chaos. The clean, curved surfaces remain, but every angle has been subtly refined for better aerodynamics and lower radar cross-section. It's not just a plane, it's a ghost that whispers through the clouds. Power, range, and payload, a monster upgraded. Under the hood, or rather inside the belly of this beast, the B-2's 2025 iteration comes packed with uprated engines, the classified kind, obviously, but rumored to push efficiency and range to new heights. Think 7,000 nautical miles with mid-air refueling capabilities. Payload? It can still carry 40,000 pounds of munitions, but now with expanded compatibility for hypersonic weapons and next-gen smart bombs. The Spirit doesn't just drop bombs, it delivers digital doom with pinpoint accuracy. Cockpit tech and autonomy, the future is here. Inside the cockpit, it's no longer just switches and analog gauges. The 2025 B-2 introduces augmented reality HUDs, AI-assisted navigation, and semi-autonomous mission planning. Pilots don't just fly it, they collaborate with it. The aircraft's onboard AI now predicts threats, adapts to radar signals in real time, and can even suggest evasive maneuvers. It's the closest thing we have to a flying Terminator, minus the accent. Why now? The strategic reason behind the update. So why bring the B-2 back now? Simple, the world's getting more unpredictable, and stealth dominance is more important than ever. With rising tensions globally, having a platform that can silently enter contested airspace, deliver a knockout blow, and vanish without a trace is invaluable. Plus, with the upcoming B-21 Raider still in testing, modernizing the Spirit ensures the US Air Force doesn't miss a beat. The verdict, still a legend? In 2025, the B-2 Spirit isn't just surviving, it's thriving. It was ahead of its time when it debuted, and with these upgrades, it remains one of the most formidable aircraft in existence. It's proof that when you build something truly ahead of its time, all it needs is a touch-up to rule the skies again. The Spirit lives on, sleeker, smarter, and scarier than ever. And now, the surprise we promised, Bike Up Data Pro is teaming up with an aviation museum to bring you a special behind-the-scenes tour, not just of the 2025 BE-2, but of its hangar, maintenance systems, and even a simulated flight. Stay tuned, because in our next episode, we're going inside the cockpit and flying the Spirit in full VR, and yes, we'll even compare it to a superbike. Because hey, why not? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you loved this wild departure from our usual content. We're still your favorite Bike Update channel, but when legends fly, Bike Up Data Pro follows.